So obviously, if you're ill, you shouldn't go to the ocean and swim, and you shouldn't go to a pool if you're sick with some kind of stomach virus or flu or diarrhea illness. You really shouldn't, you try not to swallow too much pool water or seawater. Don't eat really close to the pool, because even though there's chlorine in the pool, you never know if the chlorine load is high enough for any other problems that might be going on. People that might be sick with diarrhea illnesses that are swimming, and the ocean, depending on where it's near, if it's near a sewage plant or an industrial area, it's possible it could have bacteria, and you shouldn't swim with an open wound either. So obviously, if you're ill, you shouldn't go to the ocean and swim, and you shouldn't go to a pool if you're sick with some kind of stomach virus or flu or diarrhea illness. If you have an open wound, you should consider maybe not swimming, or making sure that it has a clean, sterile dressing that's completely waterproof. If you're immune compromised at all and you might have some open wounds, you should really reconsider swimming or going to the ocean. Another thing to keep in mind when you're at the beach is if you're going to eat at the beach, try not to get a lot of sand in your food. Be careful, wash your hands a lot if you're playing in the sand. And likewise, once you go home from the beach, because there is bacteria in the sand, you need to take a good shower with soap and water.